Hi, this is Miss Monday, and I'm here to help you with complicated trinomials. There's two questions. I'll start with, I believe it's number 1F. So here we have a complicated trinomial because the leading coefficient is a number that's not 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an x, and I'm going to multiply a times c on top. So 8 times 3 is 24. And then I'm going to put the b value in the bottom. Now I have to think of two numbers that multiply to get 24 and add to get 10. So if I think of all the numbers that multiply to get 24, it will be 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. So now I need to see which one of these add to get 10. 1 plus 24 is 25, 2 plus 12 is 14, 3 plus 8 is 11, 4 plus 6 is 10. So the two numbers that multiply to get 24 and add to get 10 are 4 and 6. And it doesn't matter the order that you put these two. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this, but I'm going to take out 10s, and instead I'm going to add 4s and 6s. So 8s squared, take out 10s, and now I'm going to add 4s plus 6s plus 3. Now I have 4 terms, so I need a factor by grouping. So I draw a line down the middle, and I think, what can factor out of the left side out of 8s squared plus 4s? And this is divisible by 4s. And when I divide 4s out of 8s squared, I'm left with 2s. And when I divide 4s out of 4s, I'm left with 1. Don't forget the 1. Okay? Now, on the right side, I need to think what can I factor out of 6s and 3? And they're both divisible by 3. So 6s divided by 3 is 2s, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay? So what we need is we need the parentheses to be the same. So we'll put that once. And then the numbers that we factored out, we're going to put together in another parentheses. Okay? All right, everyone, now we have 2c, which is 4s squared minus 20s plus 25. And I need to think what multiplies to get 100 and adds to get negative 20. And I realize that will be negative 10 times negative 10. Adds to get 100, or multiplies to get 100, adds to get 20. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my original equation, but I'm going to take out my negative 20s, and I'm going to add in negative 10s minus 10s. So I have 4s squared minus 10s plus 25. Now I have 4 terms, so I'm going to solve by grouping. I'll draw a line down the middle, and I think of what can I factor out of 4s squared minus 10s, and that would be 2s. Then 4s squared divided by 2s is 2s, and negative 10s divided by 2s is negative 5. Now I have to think what I can factor out of the right side, which would be negative 5. Negative 10s divided by negative 5 is 2s. 25 divided by negative 5 is negative 5. And my parentheses are the same, which is what I wanted. So I'm going to write that parentheses once. And then the numbers that I divided out, go together in another parentheses. Okay? Or your answer can be 2s minus 5 squared, because 2s minus 5 times 2s minus 5 is 2s minus 5 squared. Either of these answers will work. Okay? I hope that helped. Have a wonderful day.